Hey everybody, hope you guys had a great day today. I want to talk about my trade real quick. I traded Fomx Pharmaceuticals. This is a biotech stock that gapped up this morning on phase 3 trial results for their rosacea drug. And this company in general is a skincare biotech stock that actually on this day it gapped up due to phase 2 data for their acne drug. So very similar news days, both of these days, and so traders were really bearish on it, pointing to this day as just this really bloody all-day fade candle. So they're expecting the same today. I know Jake covered this company really well in the pre-market show this morning. It's a recent IPO that raised money at $6 in September, I believe, and had this day, of course, the phase 2 data for their acne drug was really positive. So this is a real company, real products, or real drugs that they're trying to get approved. And eventually, I think a lot of people believe that this will or should be above $6. So it'll be interesting to see what happens going forward. But today I was bearish on it, sell the news kind of event. I took some shares early and covered it up. I had to do a little bit more research because on this day I actually shorted too soon, and it was kind of sticking in my mind. I didn't want it to come back and really squeeze me out. So I added all my shares back here, and just to cover what I saw on Twitter this morning that kind of confirmed my thesis or added to it. J-Trader Small Cap Room, he's a good follow on Twitter. He talks about how the news was very similar to on the 12th, and it was totally recycled news, and I agree with that. And then I also saw Julia Seri come out and say Fomx is going to be a red fader. There was a lot of people bearish on this, and so I thought it was a pretty good possibility that it was going to be same action as this day. So put all my shares back on and then some into this bounce, and then just covered in pieces throughout the morning as it faded. So it was a good trade all in all. I probably would have, if this would have kept going, I probably would have added up into the 560s, 570s, risking off the $6 area, and hoped for a morning fade because I really thought that the chances were high that people were going to sell this news. Even though it was positive, and even though this is a real company, as Jake mentioned this morning, it's not really a dilution play. There was no warrants or anything that they were trying to sell at the market or really dilutive offering. But it was a good opportunity for any long-term shareholders to get out into a push after this kind of sell-off that we've had over the past few months. So good trade all in all. Hope you guys had a good day as well today, and I will see you tomorrow in the chat.